Hello and welcome back to my channel Norina with Decor, your favorite spot. A big hello to my amazing audience. I'm so happy you're again. Thank you so much for your clicking this video. I hope you're doing great today. So guys, if you are new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing upload. This channel is all about wooden craft for home decor ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. I love sharing new and easy ideas with you. Your support means a lot to me. Let's enjoy today's video together. I hope you will find something useful today. Please give this video a like if you enjoy it. Share your comment and they make the smile. Let's keep growing and learning together. You're not just a viewer, you're a part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I'll make this video with a lot of love for you. Stay with me till the end if you like this video. This channel is all about fit and beauty and simple decor ideas. If you love wood style and creativity, you are on the right place. In this video, I'm talking about wooden useful craft ideas for home and kitchen in different styles, color combination and sizes. Every piece of wood has a piece of story. Let's discover it together. I hope this video inspire you for your own space. Please give this video a like if you enjoy wooden art. Thank you so much for your love and your support, and thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. So guys, if you like any design, then please take the screenshot of it. And if you want to more home interior decoration ideas, so you can please visit my channel and also do try my wooden craft ideas at your home. I have reading your comments. Keep them coming. Simple wooden can bring warm beauty to any home. Let's make your space more cozy and charming. Stay with me till the end. I have something lovely to show you on daily basis. I bring new ideas from wooden decor designs, warmth and natural beauty to any home. You don't need expensive items, just simple wood and a little creativity. Today I will show you how to use wooden pieces to make your space look more beautiful. You can use old wooden trays, create wooden plankers, paint them, polish them, or leave them natural and stylish. Look lovely. Wall shelves made of wood are not only useful but also stylish. I hope you enjoyed today's wooden home decor ideas. Let me know in the comment section. Please share a photo of your experience. Your support means a lot to me. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and please subscribe for more wooden every day. Thank you for so much for spending your time with me today. And thanks for those people who watch my video with the notification. Please take care of yourself and the people around you.